Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Cabo Squad 0. I'm joined by Chris.
Mr. Stibo.
Yeah.
First of all, Mr. Stibo.
Yes.
I would like to say thank you to Kaizer Chiefs, Mr.
Why?
Stibo. Mr. Stibo, today I'm happy.
Yeah.
Team ya Mr. Stibo iwinile, ne?
Yeah.
Then Mr. Stibo, ngizothi yabona nanguba for ngiyambona ukuthi ume nami.
Yes.
Mina ngiyabathanda labantu Mr. Stibo.
Yeah.
Kodwa bona bangithandi.
Yeah.
Ngizokhuluma iqiniso mina Mr. Stibo.
Khuluma ivari kuphela.
This team Mr. Stibo abangithandi.
Yeah.
You can never Mr. Stibo unomfazi wakho endlini.
Yeah.
Nami nginomfazi wami endlini.
Yeah.
Uzofuna ukubona owami umfazi. Ngesikhathi esisodwa Mr. Stibo. It doesn't make any sense Mr. Stibo. What's wrong with your wife umshiye endlini? Okay, ngizophuma kuyo Mr. Stibo ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi uthando wami umfazi. Sho ukuthi ufuna ukumudla wami umfazi Mr. Stibo. In other ways. You understand Mr. Stibo? So Mr. Stibo, ngizothi Mr. Stibo. Because Mr. Stibo, I'm not happy about the Coast Nation Mr. Stibo. Ngizobatshela enatural Mr. Stibo. Lento abayenzile ku Mr. Nabi. That's what really sad Mr. Stibo from me.
Yes.
Ngeke uzothatha ucoach wethu osinikeze something and then you chase him like that.
Yeah.
Mr. Stibo, Mr. Nabi, he was something to us.
Yeah.
Mr. Nabi makazongena wasitshela wathi khona into azoyiletha ku Chiefs. Which is wasilethela iNetbank. Akazilethelanga i-starter pack se MTN 8. No, Mr. Stibo. Akazilethelanga lento. No, akazilethelanga lento. Mr. Stibo, Mr. Nabi usilethele ibank elinemali. Which is something to us as Kaizer Chiefs. The last thing I want to say Mr. Stibo, I would like to say to Umthetho Mr. Stibo. Umthetho umnandi kodwa makadlala ibhola lakhe Mr. Stibo. He mustn't go back. Kunesikhathi esisidingayo thina as ama fans.
Sure.
Uma attacker we are attacking.
Yes.
It's either we lose the ball forward than backward.
Yes.
Because once we lose the ball backwards, bazos attacker baskorele Mr.
Yes.
Stibo. That's what happened kuphi? Kusikhukhune. Kusikhukhune Mr. Stibo sizile ngento e1. It was counter attack.
Yeah.
Sinema defensive wethu awakhona ukugijima.
Yes.
Uma lithi ibhola lithi uFrosla urelaxile.
Yeah.
I don't know what was wrong with him.
That's a problem.
Ngicela ukuthi abuye egamini Mr. Stibo. Kodwa ngicela le sim card le MTN 8. Uma ibona umfazi wayo akhona endlini. Ingezi kumfazi wethu. Ngoba nathi
angazocheata la.
No. We're not playing a cheating game. We're not playing a cheating game. Yeah. Sila Mr. Stibo ngoba sifuna ukuyenza into eserious Mr. Stibo. Mr. Stibo, I'm really hurt Mr. Stibo. Angeke uzoshiya umfazi omlobolile endlini yakho uzolanda wami umfazi. Mr. Stibo, imele kudemecha Mr. Stibo. Uzohlezi ngisho into yodwa Mr. Stibo. uSolomon ungidlalele kamnandi tu. Solomon was a good right back Mr. Stibo. Solomon ukhonile uku-attack ukhonile ubele move azomakha. I give you to Solomon's Mr. Stibo. Ke sihlanganeni maKhosi Nation on a Wednesday neAmazulu. neAmazulu abantu bethu ikhona i-team minya izobe ikhona nayo. So bashaya nabo Mr. Stibo. Bazojwayela
bazobuka umfazi wethu.
So banikeza umfazi wethu abantu.
Bazosloya futhi. Bayaloya. Bayaloya bathuba. Pirates samani lo. Bayaloya. Mr. Stibo bazoloya babanda.
Eggs, they use eggs.
Bazoloya namhlanje.
Mr. Stibo, we don't use eggs to win. No, we don't come with eggs to win, Mr. Stibo. We come as Kaizer Chiefs, as physically fit. We don't come with eggs, Mr. Stibo. You can never see eggs or anything. No, Mr. Stibo. This is Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you, Mr. Stibo.
Thank you, Mr. Stibo.